Picture this, a seamless and convenient system where your tenants can pay rent online with just a few clicks regardless of the location or time zone. It's a shift that resonates with the modern tenant, one accustomed to digital convenience and swift transactions. This change in preferences has paved the way for the surge in popularity of online rent payments, turning it into a new standard for rent collection. In this era of digital innovation, the rise of online rent payments has emerged as a pivotal game changer. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I am a landlord and real estate investor. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through understanding the power of collecting rent online and how online rent collection systems can reshape the way you manage your properties. This comprehensive guide will empower you to embrace this modern shift and harness its potential to elevate your property management game. So why choose online payments? As a property manager, your role is a delicate balance of maintaining a rental property, fostering tenant relationships, and ensuring smooth financial operations. In this digital age, the landscape of property management is evolving, and embracing technological advancements is crucial to staying ahead. One such advancement that has gained remarkable traction is online rent payment, a game-changing solution that holds the potential to redefine the way you manage your rental properties. Let's first hop into a few advantages of online rent payment. Let's discuss those. Online rent payment empowers tenants to make payments from the comfort of their homes at any time and from any device. No more worrying about mailing checks, scheduling in-person visits, or adhering to specific office hours. The process of receiving, processing, and depositing paper checks requires substantial time and effort on your part. Online rent payments eliminates this tedious process, freeing up your valuable time to focus on more strategic aspects of property management. With digital payments, funds are transferred electronically, reducing the need for manual intervention. This time-saving advantage translates to increased efficiency and the potential for higher productivity. Tracking paper checks, issuing receipts, and organizing records can be prone to errors and misplacements. Online rent payment systems provide you with a clear and organized trail of transactions. Every payment is digitally recorded, accessible, and easy to manage. Online rent payments introduces a level of predictability and consistency to your cash flow. Automated payments means you can rely on rent arriving on time, every time. This reliability ensures that your financial obligations, such as mortgage payments, maintenance costs, and other expenses, are met without delay. So how do you implement online rent payments? It starts with selecting the right platform. The foundation of a successful online rent payment system lies in choosing the right platform. Among the numerous options available, platforms like DoorLoop have been designed with property managers like you in mind. But you do want to make sure to do your research and compare. Compare factors such as user interface, ease of use, customer support, and pricing models. DoorLoop, for instance, offers a comprehensive solution that seamlessly integrates online rent payments into your property management workflow. And choose a platform that prioritizes robust security measures. Ensure the platform is equipped with industry standard encryption protocols and advanced authentication methods. This guarantees that your tenants' sensitive financial information remains safeguarded against potential threats. Once you've zeroed in on the ideal platform, it's time to initiate the setup process. Here's a straightforward roadmap to guide you. Begin by creating an account tailored to your role as a property manager or landlord. With DoorLoop, this process is intuitive and designed to align seamlessly with your property management needs. Connect your bank accounts to online payment platforms. This connection enables the smooth transfer of funds between your tenants and your accounts. By linking your bank accounts, you ensure that your transactions are processed accurately and efficiently, eliminating potential delays associated with manual transfers. Enhance your tenant experience by embedding the payment gateway directly onto your rental website. This integration ensures that your tenants encounter a cohesive process when making payments. As they browse through property information or interact with your website, the option to pay rent seamlessly is readily and available. And don't forget to notify your tenants. Make sure you have clear communication and provide clear instructions. Now, let's dive into the strategies that can elevate your rent collection experience to new heights. Maintaining transparency is the heart of successful rent collection. Ensure that both you and your tenants are on the same page. You set the foundation for a smooth financial transaction. Ensure there's no room for confusion by communicating rent amounts and due dates clearly. Whether it's digital notifications or reminders sent via email, tenants should have no doubt about the financial expectations associated with the rental agreement. Set expectations regarding late payments upfront. You'll want to clearly outline any potential fees or penalties associated with late rent submissions. By communicating these policies clearly, you eliminate ambiguity and create a sense of accountability. Embracing diversity in payment methods demonstrates your commitment to accommodating your tenants' preferences. Here's how you can enhance the payment experience. Whether your tenants prefer using credit card or debit cards, ACH transfers, or online wallets, providing a range of choices empowers them to select the method that aligns with their financial habits. Platforms like DoorLoop support multiple payment options, allowing tenants to choose the most convenient way to pay their rent. Preventing late payments is not only about policies, but also about proactive communication. Security is a non-negotiable element in the digital realm. Prioritize your tenants' data protection. Communication doesn't end with rent reminders. Keep the channels open and responsive. Embracing the era of online rent payments is no longer an option, it's a necessity for modern property management. Selecting the right platform is the cornerstone of successful implementation, which is where DoorLoop comes into play. If you're looking for a robust accounting suite that integrates with QuickBooks, a convenient tenant portal, invaluable maintenance management features, a plethora of leasing tools, and so much more, then DoorLoop is the software for you. Schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you with the link down in the description. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, join our exclusive Facebook group. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you there.